Hey guys, on the bench we have something a little bit different. We have a Bostitch SB1850B as in boy, N as in Nancy. It's a brad nailer, 18 gauge, belongs to a neighbor. He said he would plug it into air and he'd squeeze the trigger, but it wouldn't shoot out a nail, it just kind of made this little funky noise. I took it apart and just four millimeter Allen screws in the back. It's very easy. And what I saw was kind of like that. You can see that this plastic piece right here is obviously busted. You know, there's chunks taken out of it. Can you see that? Hopefully. I don't know. You can never tell with these cameras. But thankfully, it's a really inexpensive part. So I figured, you know what, we'll spend the $3-4 and we'll see if we can get it to work. I didn't see anything else obviously wrong with it. I don't know a whole lot about these nailers, so just kind of replacing what's obviously broken. And you can get this part on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. It was under $4. I don't remember the exact price. So let's see if we can get this thing going again. So I'm going to take the O-ring off of the old O-rings off of the old one, and put them on the new one. This might be one of the quickest videos I've ever done. Get a little seal pick for this one, being careful not to tear it. These seal picks are awesome, by the way, and super inexpensive. I think they're channel locks. I think a set's maybe like $10. I'll give you a link to those in the description too, in case anybody needs a set. Man, it is hot in here. Hoping this is a quick video, so I don't have to stand in the garage for too long. Crazy, crazy hot. I believe that spring goes in there, like that. I think this washer goes in there like so. Okay, let's do it this way. Putting everything in like that. It just fits in like so. Now we take our Allen screws and we screw it back together. Let me get my Allen T-wrench. Get our Allen screws here. No idea this is going to work, but again, sometimes you just get lucky. I usually don't get lucky though. If anybody ever needs these Allen T wrenches, these things are friggin' awesome. I'll leave you a link to these in the description too. I've never broken one of these. They're from Bostitch. I think they're USA made. They're super handy. I love them a lot. A lot more in those little L keys that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. That usually end up breaking, or I end up dropping. Let's see. Just putting this back together. Sorry guys, I'm rushing. It's super, super hot in here. Florida in August. Alright, get up on some air and see what happens. Here goes nothing. That seemed to fix it. Wasn't doing that before. So does this video qualify as a short? Job done. Time, 5 minutes. If you like this video, please subscribe, guys. Stay safe and thanks for watching.